Are you tired of deleting rows one by one in Smartsheet? Learn how to delete multiple rows in under 30 seconds. First, I'll show you how to navigate to your sheet and select multiple rows. Then, I'll demonstrate the quick deletion process. Start by navigating to the Smartsheet homepage. Open the sheet you want to edit by clicking its name. Click on the first row you want to delete. Press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding Ctrl, click each additional row you want to delete. Once you've selected all the rows, right-click any one of the highlighted rows. From the context menu, click Delete 5 rows. The number matches how many rows you selected. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.